Hey, I'm Karem. I am a business consultant in a brick and mortar business. I had an office, and somehow I couldn't translate what I was successfully doing in what we call real life to the online world. And I was working really, really hard to the point of burnout without seeing any results. And I was very, very frustrated that I paid so much in courses and information and pieces here and there, trying to find that strategy that will work for me. And I saw Stephanie Joanne's webinar, and I jumped in. I was at a last resort because I was trying for 3 years to move my online my real life business to online and have more freedom, because as a consultant it's so many hours that I can sell, and I have three little ones. My husband is traveling like 80% of the time, and he loves his job. And it was like I was stretching myself too thin. But the more I try to do this online, the worse and more overwhelmed I got, and the less time with the family, and it was like an unraveling a negative cycle, like a vicious cycle that I got in. And when I got on this webinar with her, she explained everything so easy that it was like it cannot be that easy. Like, she broke it down in steps that I saw the possibility of. I can do this. I don't have to be burning myself out in social media, posting for posting, being there in social media for I don't know what, because I've never gotten one lead out of posting something, a quote or a video in social media just because. And when she broke down the steps into your funnel and the goal, the actual goal of what you want to accomplish. Why are you doing this in practical sense? Not like woohoo mindset stuff that sometimes you don't like. What do I do with that? I don't have problems with being motivated, and I know that I saw in a lot of coaching before that it was a lot of mindset, that it's you. Everything was me, but I didn't know what me was. What was I doing wrong? Because I didn't get any feedback. So the turning point was that I was in her free group, and she's doing her launch for the program, and I was right there on the fence, even thinking, okay, so I am going to do this. I'm going to do it for 30 days, and I'm going to return it because it's not going to work for me. Because so far, 3 years later, like 5 or 6 courses, I am not making this work. Maybe it's not for me. And right there on the first week, I was absolutely blown away. But what pushed me and said, okay, I'm doing this, was a video that she did in the Facebook group, where she was so raw and honest. And I saw, wow, this lady is no BS. She's gonna deliver. She's determined. I want that in my life. And she even showed the dashboard of how she made that week. And I was like, wow. So she has done it. It was the first time that I saw any expert like sharing real life, and not that this happened overnight, but what it took her, but that it was possible, and that she was not BSing, because it was like a really short, like 10 or 15 minute uh, fast call that she did on the Facebook Live. And I said, okay, so I am in. And I was totally blown away, and because I was seeing results. I immediately set my engine for capturing leads with a purpose. I was getting lead and still following her method today. I am getting 50 leads a week on my funnel without burning myself out, posting 3 times a day in social media, doing Facebook Live, you doing stories. I was even thinking about doing a podcast. I have like all these bazillion ideas to increase traffic, and she helped me figure out the one way to bring traffic in the right way so that I can serve that community and get customers that really want what I have to deliver. And it has not only helped my business, it has helped my confidence because I've seen results and I see that I am in a better position to serve because I am following a system that works and I'm having results every single day, every single week. And I'm so ready to take everything to the next level because I have a system that allows me to, without madness and chaos, finally have a balance between my family and the work. And I closed my office and I'm doing everything online. Uh, and it's because of the feedback that I got in the group. Her feedback is amazing. I just wish that I have encountered her for even 1 year ago, 3 years ago. But everybody has a different path. Just if you have the chance even to upgrade to the mastermind, it's just do it because it will save you so much money and heartache in the long term that you have no idea. Just the money that I spend on the wrong website, on the wrong landing page, on the wrong technology, on the wrong thing, on the wrong audience, like spending on Facebook ads that they were wrong because that was not my audience. So it was very frustrating, like finally getting it all together in one place. It's blown away. And I got way more, like Stephanie Joanne overs delivers. Like things that are not written down, she provided so much more and show that she's a real person and she's there with us and she is there to like we say GSD, which is getting shit done. So, and no BS, it's just getting in there and doing your thing and building your business and making sales and building with pride a business that will allow you to do the things that you really want to do. Isn't that what we are here for? Just join us. It's a lot of fun.